rabbi, sold I to the merchant ships.
The finest, Nana Kwame Perry.
Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit.
The finest,
But
Nana
my
Kwame Perry.
hand was
Ayiko,
led
Ayiko,
from by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation.
Ayiko, Ayiko,
Triumphantly. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? It's all I ever have.
Ayiko, Ayiko,
Redemption songs.
The finest, Nana Kwame Perry.
Yo, this is 2-in-1. Catch with Nana Kwame Perry, aka the finest.
Ayiko, Ayiko,
Okoma Radio 97.1.
Yo, this is 2-in-1. Catch with Nana Kwame Perry, aka the finest. Yeah, I'm on for 2-in-1 yeah. Mutie Nana Kwame Perry, aka the finest. On green.
Ayiko, Ayiko,
I'm getting married. I could hear her voice on the other side of the telephone. She was smiling and she asked me a question that I proudly answered. She said, son, did you take time to know her? I said, Mama, she's the best. But today it hurt me so to go back to Mama and say, Mama, I'm getting divorced. Oh, I'm getting divorced. This choice I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. This choice I made, it hurts me so, Mama. This choice I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. This choice of mine, oh, Mama said to me,
Ayiko, Ayiko,
To understand it's all, but I hope you'll make it. You'll be happy again. It's not easy to understand it's all, but I hope you'll make it. You'll be happy again.
I remember in church when the preacher man read the scriptures. You look so beautiful and so innocent. I did not know that behind that beauty lies the true colors that will destroy me in the near future. This choice I made didn't work out to be what I thought it would be.
97.1.
Stolen from Africa,
Ayiko.
brought to America, fighting an arrival, fighting for survival. I mean it when I analyze the stench. To me it makes a lot of sense. Of the dreadlock Rasta, was the buffalo soldier, and he was taken from Africa, brought to America, fighting an arrival, fighting for survival. Said he was a buffalo soldier, dreadlock Rasta, buffalo soldier in the heart of America. If you know your history, then you would know where you're coming from. Then you wouldn't have to ask me, who the heck you would think I am? I'm just a buffalo soldier in the heart of America, stolen from Africa, brought to America. Said he was fighting on arrival, fighting for survival. Said he was a buffalo soldier in the war for America. Said he, why yo yo, why yo yo yo, why yo 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 yo, why yo yo, why yo yo yo, why yo 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 yo. Buffalo soldier trod into the land. Whoa. Said him on the run and make him hold a hand. Trod into the land. Yeah, yeah. Said he was a buffalo soldier in the war for America. Buffalo soldier, dreadlock Rasta, fighting an arrival, fighting for survival, driven from the mainland to the heart of the Caribbean. Singing, why yo yo, why yo yo yo, why yo 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 yo, why yo yo, why yo yo yo, why yo 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 yo.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Africa unite, cause we're moving right out of Babylon, and we're going to our father's land. Yeah. How good and how pleasant it would be before God and man. Yeah.
Okuma Radio.
Unification of
Ayiko.
Africans. Yeah. Has it been said already? Let it be done. Yeah. We are the children of the Rasta man. We are the children of the Iron Man. Africa unite, 'cause the children wanna come home. Yeah, yeah. Africa unite, 'cause we're moving right out of Babylon, and we're grooving to our father's land. Yeah. How good and how pleasant it would be before God and man to see the unification of all Rasta man. Yeah. Has it been said already? Let it be done. I tell you who we are under the sun. We are the children of the Rasta man. We are the children of the Higher man. So Africa unite, Africa unite, yeah. Unite for the benefit of your people. Unite for
Okuma Radio 97.1.
rain is coming our way.
Ayiko.
Rain is coming our way.
Ayiko, Ayiko,
Ayiko.
Get on board.
You better get on board.
Thank the Lord.
Praise God.
I got the train, just there's no other station. Then you're going in the same direction. Zion train is coming our way. The Zion train is coming our way. Which man can save his brother's soul?
Ayiko, Ayiko,
Ayiko.
Self-control. Don't gain the war and lose your soul. Wisdom is better than silver and gold. To the bridge.
Ayiko.
There's a will. There's always a way. Where there's a will, there's always a way. So change is coming our way. Zion train is coming our way. 2,000 years of history could not be wiped away so easily. 2,000 years of history
Ayiko.
could not be wiped so easily.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
From the Bible to the Quran, Revelation in Jerusalem, Shalom, Salam Alaikum. You can see Christian, Jews and Muslims living together and praying, Amen. Let's give thanks and praises. Baruch Ata Adonai. Baruch Abba Yerushalayim.
Ayiko.
Baruch Ata Adonai.
Okuma Radio.
Baruch Abba Yerushalayim. Jerusalem, Yerahim. Jerusalem, je t'aime. Jerusalem, here I am. Jerusalem, je t'aime.
Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. Yediani. Yekramuche.
Israel Yakirati. Israel Yakirati. time.
Ayiko.
Ayiko.
Israel Yakirati.
Akuma Radio.
Israel Yakirati. Israel Yakirati.
The finest Nana Kwame
Israel
Perry.
Yakirati. Ani oevota. Israel Yakirati.
Ayiko.
Ayiko.
Why raise the time of the Most High, ye sons of men? The rich man's wealth is in the city, yeah. Destruction of the poor
The
is
finest
his
Nana Kwame Perry.
poverty.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Destruction of your soul is vanity.
Akuma Radio. 97.1.
I wanna rule my destiny.
Ayiko.
Ayiko.
And I wanna rule my destiny. Whoa, destiny. Mama, look from when you call me. Destiny. Mama, look from when you call it. I wanna rule my destiny. Oh, help I please. Jaja, make me rule my destiny. Oh, Lord, I've been blessed, I've been touched. I love Jah so much, they keep fighting me. I'm not giving
Ayiko.
up. The realms of Zion fill my spiritual cup. Wisdom overstanding must never be too much. Give I protection day and night from even the pestilence that walk at that daylight. Destiny, Mama, look from when you call it.
Ayiko.
Destiny, Mama, look from when you call it. I wanna rule my destiny.
The finest Nana Kwame Perry.
Oh, help I please. Jaja, make me rule my destiny.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Cast away their cards most, Lord. You have them in the region, in the valley of decision, restraining the Edens with a rod of iron. You know not the destiny of an next man, why hold him? Set him free for too long. I wanna rule my destiny. Oh yeah, I really wanna rule my destiny.
Ayiko.
Akuma Radio. 97.1.
Nazis. The supporter system is Nazis. Nazi. Them a Nazi. The supporter system is Nazis. Nazi. Them a Nazi.
Akuma Radio. Akuma Radio. Yedieni. Yekramuche.
1939, 1945, Nazi war in Europe. Today, 1985, Hitler on a rise in South Africa.
America, America, America.
I say,
Break the neck of this apartheid. America, America, America.
you got to
Break the neck of this apartheid. America, America, America.
I say,
Break the neck of this apartheid. America, America, America.
I say,
Break the neck of this apartheid.
Akuma Radio. 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya. Akuma Radio. 97.1. Hey.
1939, 1945.
The finest Nana Kwame Perry.
In Europe. Today, 1985. Africa.
America, America, America.
I say,
Break the neck of this apartheid. America, America, America.
you got to
Break the neck of this apartheid. America, America, America.
I say,
Break the neck of this apartheid. America, America, America.
you got to
Break the neck of this apartheid.
We don't have the right to shoot the children. You don't have the right to shoot your children, I say.
Just about 36 after 12. And now you're 13th day in the month of September 2023.
Fame,
And how your command 97.1 radio.
black and white,
Are you coach media with yours truly, Nana Kwame Perry?
I say.
And you way Wabakosem Kakra.
America,
A song coming from Alpha Brandy.
You got to
break the neck.
Now, Mekwa Koji Awa from Kratua, but Mekojin Kratua, but I'll give you the history about this very song.
I say,
Break the neck of this apartheid.
But you can join me on Facebook Live.
America, America.
Okuman Radio 97.1, YouTube Okuman Radio 97.1, Twitter at Okuman 971, Instagram at Okuman 971, WhatsApp no 0551 667 If I my messages in info now call Facebook. Now the Obamodia. Oma when you send the Oma what I mean him. Bomadia so Bomadia. I was happy me omudin Fino and wawoda Ain't mommy enye
have the right to shoot the
is an sejumedi minimum in da ne den nyina Ayiko taxi driver trotro driver
You don't have the right to shoot
Ojuma eni bibia uye bia ni baby a ushe bia Ayiko
and white.
no abomadi aje me so say ya ye
Fame,
once again me fast that kese enfama Mr. Kweku Buate on enemy executive producer Gideon to Okori Ajeman
say,
FA DJ Donzi Yemi official DJ
Africa.
technical producer being led by DJ Ziggy B.
I say,
Yeah, from Nana Kwame Perry. Me crowd say I could see at 2 p.m. I said yes, I remember when I actual radio. So
Break the neck of this apartheid.
now I said Jumadi, it is brought to you by Can't Catch This Superb Lunch.
I say,
Accra, any Kokomiri, Accra, any Akropon, Accra Kokomiri no more. And if you're Kropon Equapem,
got to break
sounds on Don Pablo Pap.
Apartheid.
And so it's so my saying, and I'm a day, are you coach Jumadi, April? Mami koja abua from Kratom brana me koba ya catch we chiri no na door. So once again yeah from Nana Kwame Perry ubetimi afrom the finals the meme nyina ka chiri me good afternoon
Me pa ne de me adma miskin say Black Sports G-Menim boss na me read den so aye basa we ja me arewo any adwendwe kopem se me yonko brebo introduce Gluta wide range of product ma'am glutathione collagen component a ewum ni siesie honam no etie ni na emane ye fesronko hydroquinone nim enti emane ha okra Gluta wide sebenshia wamma me read aye fe ubenya bi o cosmetic shop bia enkratwe FDA agiatum.
Offla Construction Limited Company for sure eh Kaiser Offla Construction Limited Company impeni for say enye cement ni blocks nko no woton ubomodenya de wani choma sure eh gubenya eya building equipment sambiro person de call site ahodo concrete product anafoi omo supply abo anwea anafoi bibi biara wo pe bia wo building site wo Kaiser omo so dia into real estate development so it would dino person wo peja ni tempa wo fra Offla Construction Limited Company wo bejo so for wani chiro obosoma se ekwapem amono make kapim Koforidia Asunje Junction wo Sabeka Ofla Construction Limited Company wo ho from I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and 027 90 954. Woko social media handles ni nyina Ofla Construction Limited Company wonsa erekomo kaisa omo ye free delivery baby awo bi emfa ho ye de bekwa koja on tempara se nya Ofla dia and you are not building kayo se Ofla Construction Limited Company your property our priority.
Fufuo Festival Jack for holding out to baby na yen copy pono so Okuma Radio 97.1 2023 ekwepo kwapim odurano for the first time Okuma Edi Fufuo Festival no Edi bro okwapman nyina ebeye dey style bi remember na kai say fufuo no eye free you hear eye wankasa wasanka dwumadi nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric animu ha ekwepo ekwapim on the 1st of October 2023 ebreno anopa no watwe till you drop Bibi na pese bia woni mpanyfo twetwe nkomo ana pese to stand na wankata do ton woni ma bia betimi ni mpanyfo twetwe nkomo ewo 0549012454 0549012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufuo bramie ni fufuo style bia
Ghana man hiam puntuo okuape man hiam puntuo kanko ene nkoso se we betumi abemu a age okoman kasa entitie me ewu ebi ka kire kwesi apia apreku wo okoman kasa dwumedie so wo okoman 97.1 radio so efire adwada kosi fiada anopa no nsia ene fa kosi no ndu
Okuma Radio 97.1
Ayiko
Man to man is
Ayiko
children, you don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend, and your best friend your worst enemy. Some will eat and drink with you. Then behind them sus upon you. Know your secrets. So only eat
Life's road.
And this has been my all-time favorite going out to
The
you.
only spot you were
Hey, a man like Black Hour. Say Bibi Aboko there. Everything alright to you, Rush Cheche Crew.
growing up.
Oh, man, feel crapem. Oh, tonight, you. Real quampo for.
We ate from the same pot. We were
Namin Chiami, Mama Mary. Ambassadors. Say Bibi Aboko there, Mama.
From rockers to jungle 12 times.
Alright, I wish I'm Russell says Sam Reminu didn't come on. Near her.
All around.
And come on, kitty and then I'm town kakra. Nankrofu DB, I mean, OBDB, we are bring us somebody when you're a pebby. Say you for say a benku. Now imagine say when you're PC, pan, you do go because you're about quarter so. Oh my God. Anyways, having a mama. Hey, you me my good afternoon. And soon I'm here choba where man feel crapem. Ofu, one a year man TK. And you my phone in me mama good afternoon. Bright choba where do chrome. I'm on the White House. I eat you say. Me checha munina to all the favorite joint and I draw. Ewa buteji. And going out to you, Executive Pop. Sister. Anyway, for God and country, my mama Diana, we mean chill baby, as somebody a boss we city. Is an somebody a cropo tray, baby, back open a bay there. Baby, Ubia and I drain so didn't nature, Ubia Buani Sika, and one is superb launcher, and croponic crapim. Right about time, they wouldn't say somebody and paying up on able to die. Into Upa baby, as somebody need any CPS super launcher, yeah, Accra, Kokom namely. That is the place to be any day. Just be there or be square. But I say superb, Yampa, Ujra, Monday, you know. The biggest pool party here, but welcome all the artists being paraded over there. CBA Hotel. It's all about the biggest pool party. Your friend is Splash. Superb. You name the artist. Me, myself, and I will be there together with MCKK and to the entire crew. DJ Easy Weezer. Shout out to the entire workers. I'm more superb line for ticketing and reservation. I wish you for 0544 665797. 0544 665797. Superb Light Ghana. I'll say it's the official party center. Not two ways about that. Nami Kao said Don Pablo Papa said men can't chat of food so Drebe Desronko. Ujray Don Pablo Pass Ampa and Peggy Sampany and Panini and Penti and Obomadia Copiemo and Mandela Junction. Don Pablo Papa Butuho. So open fresh shakes, drinks are hot war. Ubenyani in stocks. Obesa who enjoy chill drinks there. Don Pablo Pub. Mandela Junction. Kaiser Sambre was being crabata for Frokra. It was Ally filling station in Chimupa. It was Cropona. For reservation and any information. For Don Pablo Papa 0552 302607 0552 302607 and 050 2008200 Don Pablo Pap. Also be enjoy. Is and say nipa and say hey. Bringing the time is just about 53 after 12 and now 13 day in the month of September. Kaiso bet me joining me on Facebook Live at Yokoma 97.1, YouTube Yokoma 97.1, Twitter at Yokoma 971, Instagram at Yokoma 971, WhatsApp number is very active 0551 667755. It we are saying I'm you go to media bread to my 4 taxi driver, trotro drivers. My mincha commercial bank for the teach room I'm work upon mampon. Go for you dear. Baby biara wote me kebia. Ayiko waje me so say ya ye na enen komo me tenatena eye cars ahoduo mu me te say nkrofo di dudu na eye aba EC registration na cause we need say on the 12th of September and EC bo modern be upon us adofo assembly money ID cards no modern be we ma dudu na tabiri eye EC court Emma Minoka said, "Yeah, NDC Eddie Asemana Kodan ECOWAS for someone here. Now, Omoni Jana, J Mensa, and Kasa. Where's why I'm coming from? In our various offices, banking halls, wherever that we find ourselves, ask yourself, is it even necessary? And only a one word. Ehu hiampo. Basani atibiano. And paying this is a one kasa you a bonny. It's 54 after 12. Ayuko Ghana.
Ayuko.
Okuma Radio.
Ayiko.
Okuma Radio.
Semi boom. Say ojo ye uji ye una jamio.
Ayiko.
Preserve. All we live on your grouping. All do you know when you miss it. The finest and I come in Perry. The finest and I come in Perry. I be winning soon you because of you. I'm not anyway you know. All the yes I have you. I'm running yes I.
Yeah. I'm on 4, 2 in 1 year. Mutie Nana Kwame in Perry, aka the finest.
All the time, only I the finest, and I'm coming Perry.
Ayiko.
All the mommy knew me and you say, but to tell you, me a warrior. And my antamun titito. And Jamie say, be a say, be a bonny, be a action. And for myself to bedroom. All do you way, a crook. How do you wear what you enemy? Did you miss a god of and no more be a video. All the time, only me
Ayiko.
all the
Ayiko.
all the time, only me all the time, only me
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Ayiko.
Mirinda, honey. If anyone needed this song, no. Missy Marie Pepe, you are that. Sada, Ada, baby. Itasi wakona kono can be bitchy and me. If I'm a ripa, baby. Dia me kanyina mi pese mi chirese. Wana na ripa penny. Oh, na yemle. Yeah. Anuka, mi huno no mi yamushimi. Buei, obabeni. Mira kokoduro kobusani di. Mani imano se, ya frueno, nanama. Famiko, na mi go uwe jafie. Mi beze mi bisa mami asem. Se ye kona se mi go uwe.
Ayiko.
Wana na ni babeni. Se mi shem. Ampase.
Ayiko.
Mami se. Se mi shem. Ampase. Mi pese. Mami se.
Ayiko.
Adi chin chin, arani madin. Misisi yani naka mi dream out. Isoba wafa fu what is say ye. Me won kadi ajisika grab ya bad time. Sayere, oni peni mumuna ting. Yana nanu kasa ye muodu. Ampasi ya kase manchinya ha. Sana ejane bechuiti. DJ jami huwa kama tumi huwa kuo. Misinka matumi huwa kuo.
Ayiko.
Adishi eme
Ayiko.
Yefa huwa fe kwa wawie. Mesu wa bembi ya mabeshi ya nono. Awon fe ni subani ya wafano kwa. Kusi yese no huna se wafi ready ya. Buwe isani ewe nuweni. Ewe rezi obetutu wagono wali ya wafiti krotana no huwa jefie fie. Oro bi dansu wao. Wana nani babeni. Sami hwe.
Ayiko.
Mi pese. Mami se.
Aman Kenya Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Adam Ravier, Virgin Benny. Adam Ravier, now a Timio. Adam Ravier, Virgin Benny.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Now a Timio. Adam Ravier, Virgin Benny. Adam Ravier, now a Timio. Adam Ravier, Virgin Benny. Adam Ravier, now a Timio.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Dam Ravier, Aja. Dam Ravier, Aja.
The finest Nana Kwame Perry.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Adam Ravier, Virgin Benny. Adam Ravier, now a Timio. Adam Ravier, Virgin Benny. Adam Ravier, now a Timio.
The finest Nana Kwame Perry.
Yes, just about 7 after 1. Hey, don't even couldn't powerhouse. But I wish you a even Mr. Sambre Wabo Madiana Ufubi. And your Fufu, your coconte, Ubi so be obiasi on your coconte, so Adriani has son temper or choba your coconte. Oh, yeah, where? Upa Bizabana Mama. Nebisa, your favorite food joints are winning in us, Adriani Ben a son temper. Ubia, so new coconte, so you're known as surface. And I'm a what? Ah, Jane Nakai no. Maminchia Jumaya for Sambre. More a year. Chill out pop. Kufu Road and so. Bibia Boko there. Namicha police for Assembly more croponic crapem to a divisional commander and a crime officer, Chief Inspector Lukman Sulemana, One Captain Ataja. Hey, Mama, good afternoon. Not forgetting my very own Ma Eunice, who adopts you. Say Bibi Aboko, there when it does to phoning in a. Now, we are here to Madin. Now, Wabomodin and Granny Peddy. As I saw Bomodin pain to Papa, is an as a body new crack as a. It needs 2 tons of water to function every day. If you are not aware. Dada sache water ne eso nom dodo one no krenye ni du nom. So the body need 2 tons of water to function every day. Anything I make come for so be no munsu asambre so be ba enyanka eye emfaso a. Eno one vena minua water. Vena ye super asambre afan fidi papam. It reservoir purified. Into no ma. Echire ni asem bia. O sorry anopa no bottle baako. ewia wota ofufuo kokonte ampesie emo ne obedi bia no wabomode nya vena de eguso vena egugu shops ahodo nyina mo meme kwa me mete ase isi e amesom wo so mpai abomode nya gibi ego mebo ekasaka kra no manom ni enti a wo be ko shops ahodo nyina mu vena na edi 20 pa wo ho no and it's a vena mineral water ya bomodin purify ni ye ya bomodin ye ni yi ankasa afan fidi papam enti emu da hokrogen wono mampa unsa wore no msu Sevi never takaria dos enti hu kremo papa and am pegnis sure kura na suna putu kura na suna kura pa na suna kura kronkron na bedi akudin fatana na fata akono sana vena mineral water din fatana ne fata se samre oma omanfo no nsupa ngonom enti hwebe bia wote officer wom ni awoye senye vena mineral water dia say no na fi ni ewo mu se kwapem odwira nyampa be sha se 25 September abomodia kosi 1st October 2023 Jumedi ampengini ahihye ni 26 September no omo bebo modia edi bayre foforo no na nyampa omo abomodia kofo odwira no nso edi aba eno nso no ena da butuo no pengini bebo modia left band no ni Wednesday no 27 September yebeka ye no ma eko ai ne wakati asefo a won kati asefo ho na ni Thursday no 28 September amo bebo modia edwira na empengini abomodia tenase ni edidi ni anom na ni fiada no ye grand derba and no 29 September and ebeba so I will forecourt of a year I feel no meche aban anim na na no betina say na yabomodia bodwa data na Saturday 30th September 2023 and pengini bebo modia do wani a kire amonochrome na jase hini odwira no nso yakobo jase man yabomodia di ni fefefe ave odwira nana no bebo modia egori kakra na 1st October no nana no mabomodia akona ase asore edi ama odwira no enti afi ojiro Mamima mampon kontonji mema won afrishapa kwa wonsan yezanze nyampa kwasi ade ne no masafonsa nanano matranko nyamo wo eye mampon ekwapem mema munyina afrishapa ne wo mun se mpengini eyo kuma 97.1 radio say men to adofo nyina say wo bia wo pese we preaching messing eye bibia ira na pese o ma adofo hu wo yi en kai bobi ana sempo wo adeton di bia pese o gbo hu dawro ana se wo adeton di bi na pese wo gbo modin eye jingle kama edema no enyom Juma di bia wudi bia pesa wo gbo hu dawro no frɛ number se didi so 020 2993475 and 050-888-9198 and 0246-246875. I wish you a fair this week. Guys, that is brought to you by Can't Catch a superb lunch. Oh, madam, and I'm a day a hot. Fit Betty, bro. And I will help people do no mean same crown me and mama the uncle and Ramede measures and how to watch your weight. And I'm a bomb the limit on healthy foods, eat healthy meals, And also made more than the braille. But I take a multivitamin supplement. I don't know near me day mount. Never made drink water and stay hydrated. Limit a sugar beverages. And sugary beverages. You limit them as well. It will be as I made a womb pain so as any amidi can kind of munsu. So person wapomodi see it's an nipa no ye ni je dodo na gina ya pomodin so anything I'm say wapomodin anyway ni je and to drink more water to stay hydrated, limit sugary foods as well. If you hear Multivite supplement as well to also boost up your immune system now as well. Echina nyame pa. Medenia can about 12. So echina Thursday, right? Throwback Thursday. And it's just about 15 after 1. And now you're 13th day in the month of September 2023. Once again, your friend Nana Kwame Perry will be from the finest and memen in our catchroom. If I turn you dinner, would have WhatsApp me. It was 0554166775. And I call Facebook Yokuma Radio 97.1, YouTube Yokuma Radio 97.1, Twitter Yatokuma 971. Good afternoon going out to Yokuma Michael Asaribedi Ako. Kofi tu about your pay. Abempong na upo mwe na binchia Dr. Opoku Benson. Mama ya Group CEO Antisalo. Board Chairman Mr. Kisi Edukapong. Binchia munyana mama. Good afternoon. We bisa se mumpo mwe. Yes, it is what it is on radio. Radio just got better. Once again, I go by the name Nana Kwame Perry. Call me out me find us and men you know catch you enemy. Good afternoon, Ghana.
Ayiko.
Okuma Radio.
Odoye desinsika. Odoye desimbibia.
Ayiko.
Menyaji mrosu. Odoye desinsika. Odoye desimbibia. Samini midafina wa. Menyaji mrosu.
Okumaini, Epiani, Kramuche.
Adoye desinziga. Adoye desimbibia. Samini midafina wa. Menyaji mrosu. Adoye desinziga. Adoye desimbibia. Samini midafina wa. Menyaji mrosu. Uonechani natuo. Yegani zeni. Yasi mwaye. Adoye desin.
Ayiko.
Adoye desin bibia. Samini midafina mwa. Menyaji mrosu. Adoye desin zigo. Adoye desin bibia. Love man. Samini midafina mwa. Menyaji mrosu.
Love is sweeter than money, boy. Money can't make you love reality. Love is something that you have inside. Love will make you love your family with pride. Love is sweeter than money, boy.
Ayiko.
Can't make you love reality. Love is something that you have inside. Love will make you love. You know, not even the English pound, or the American dollar, or the Japanese yen, and the Dutch guilder.
Emano.
That's love me culture. When me know say God is looking down, what is your world? Materialism, change boys and girls. You reap what you sow and the benefit you give. Love ain't expensive, love ain't cheap. It's a natural mystic like you. My ebony, ivory, and me diamond. Love is truly like a blessing from above. L-O-V-E, love.
Seek
Ayiko.
Watch it.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Ayiko.
Yeah, mama, you are the baby. Wa brown kwent we mu, anya se menya bi na matu. Obinti zika wari ni tamfu den. The finest na kwame mbare. The finest na kwame mbare. Mbrenwa haya siwa hansu omremwa. Mikona mi maya mampunyo. Mampai bona nyami bona mi bedua. Metra wa mawa uze nyaguro. Mi broni. Mi si. Isi muna tante na sa adami maya. Udeno. Adaku adi mi amana bruzuntino. Udeno. Isi utanche na sentia. Matima jimu na mafemu wa bentino. Ukonda kayo. Ada. Sakafu biriba. Naji. Isi muna tante na sa adami maya. Udeno. Adaku adi mi amana bruzuntino. Udeno. Isi utanche na sentia. Matima jimu na mafemu wa bentino.
Ayiko.
Sakafu biriba naji.
Okuma ini, yedieni, yekramuche. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Intina mami brepe jano. Minti mi fama di baby suni agro. So we are cotton dabra. Odona bezi suni pie bremo. Tumola oba uzeni nina nyepo.
Ayiko.
A baby be wana mpeni fuwasi. Ya jidi sa sontino. Odomi wa senda debi mawa. Ijo muna tache na sa odomi maya. Udeno. Adaku adi mi amana bruzuntino. Udeno. Isi otache na sentia. Matima jimu na mafemu wa bentino. Ukonda kayo. Ada. Sakafu biriba naji. Ijo muna tache na sa odomi maya. Udeno. Adaku adi mi amana bruzuntino. Udeno. Isi otache na sentia.
Ayiko.
Ukonda kayo. Ada. Sakafu biriba naji. If you think there is somebody beside you, if you think there is somebody beside you, it's killing your soul, destroying your heart, it's killing your soul, destroying your heart. You are number one.
Okuma ini, yedieni, yekramuche.
If you think there is somebody beside you, if you think there is somebody beside you, it's killing your soul, destroying your heart, it's killing your soul.
Ayiko.
Destroying your heart. You are number one.
Ayiko.
Ayiko.
Ayiko. Ayiko. Ayiko. Ayiko.
Obahima, onu no ni ma grodi. Open friend of my mule. Obahima, onu no ni mdia makuma pe. Open friend of my mule. Minyantaba.
Ayiko.
Minyantaba, come to my codonchi. Now what do you? Minyantaba, come to this abronuma. Metimako, don't you?
Okumaini, Jenny, the Kramute.
Ayiko.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Oh, yenya beni. Oh, yeah, to me, to them. I'm out of here, would I maybe? Ebo, come and see me couple here with rubber. Mina mususamu. Do you hear me? Oh, here to me after tea and way. I'm a dark or baby bassa. Ewo, be messing around with the wheel. I walk as a prayer.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Yantaba, I got met to a codonji.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Oh yeah, yeah, dambo. Oh yeah, kuma kono. Mi sense is over.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Kwa akonkwe yeah. Oh, ajide bio na makamase. Akwankwa yeah. Oh, ajide bio na makamase.
Ayiko.
The finest and Kwame Perry. The finest and Kwame Perry.
Yeah. I'm on for 2-in-1 Mutie Nana Kwame Perry, aka the finest.
Hey. Oh. Hey.
The finest and I'm coming Perry.
Ayiko.
Ooh, nanke bede. Nanke bede ya.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Nanke bede na yoya. Ooh, nanke bede. We nanke bede ya. Nanke bede na yoya. Usuna miyo. Usuna miya. Nanke bede na yoya. When you bring one crown on me don't more. Oh, can of Corano, Nami don't more. Nanke bede na yoya. We. Yeah. Oba mi penu wana menyania. Sambe ya na me wanwa. Yontia sienko yo. Nanke bede na yoya. If you see me one empa depa. Oba pa say
Ayiko.
Ayiko. Missy mintini wija yo. Adia mi penso na mi po. Minti mi nyawa kwa joroda.
Ayiko.
Ayana mi wane wo. Ubi abaywa bana be. Missy girl we ana me wano. Nyontia siepa wonko we. Nanke bede na yoya. Usukura na me dono mo. Temo sika nka mesi da chenu. Minya sika metonto mabama noa. We don't just ye try yemwe. Nanke bede na yoya. Necha na me don wo. Abagi ya mu fedie. Isuba mpenti na mi wana. Nanke bede na yoya. Ukanye de wase mudia na me don mo. Ukano kurano na me don mo. Nanke bede na yoya. We.
Kumaini, Etieni, the Kramuche.
Anyway, here's something from Wahine Nana Achiampo. Anke bede na yoya. Ghana ha bakosemi. Anke bede na yoya 1996 na Nana Achiampo bo modern released that particular song, you know. Ewo album bia na ye friend hu nyemi hu so. Na ubekaya sa album ye to about 1.3 million copies. All over Ghana. Na woka Ghana ha album etimi ton year pa by then that year. Ebe sin do be antimi break that record no. Nana Achiampo ne nyom ankebe de na yoya. Ewe wu didi wo adwuma wu bo nkomo. Wo adwuma mu asamre wu bo adwuma so me ne udi nkomo. Enti ekoba se sa anwom no. Abaye Nyuma 16 years and still counting. Sa record no. Obi antimi break you. Or turn 1.3 million copies. All over. And Kebe then ayo. My song got a background coming from Charles Kwejofosu, aka DL, aka Daddy Lumba, aka Manyina Kwejo. Everyone says, "Send me bomba the famous birthday, bro. You know mind that when you moody or out there. If today happy to be your birthday, my sister, my brother, happy birthday, Kasiepa and Koma, wherever that you are. So where you mum? So with you, but a brother like no other, a brother from another mother. Yeah, for Pino, it is your birthday today. Oh, a coupon equipem. And I got a message from a lovely friend of yours. I see a friend of Aze Pony. I say happy birthday, Kasiepa and Komao or Wakushi and Sano. And from your brother, Sailors as well. Omunyina Mawawoda Shunko. Pino. Happy birthday, Kasiepa and Komao. Mamicha police in Koro. Koro Bibia Boko area. What am I say? Mamunyina, good afternoon, Yako. And a police funyina. Chief Inspector Okuma Judom Abraham. Oh, yeah, personal bodyguard at the man, Honorable Damboche. Good afternoon. And Wawoda, one of the finest DJs in Ghana, your friend DJ Asumedu. And I would on the 13th day in the month of September 1993. And you will Asumedu. But are you aware, so on the 19th day in the month of September, you miss my birthday, yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 19 September, I'm ready. Oh, dear, me the to ya. Once again, let me know if a friend, a special one, is celebrating the birthday today. Ube to me on WhatsApp 055416677755 and I'll call Facebook Okuma Radio 97.1. It's all about your birthday wishes as well. I'll be reading them loud and clear. Okuma. My main call messages are about Facebook. If I knew what happened, easy as right about time, Amicia Tracy Adia Pena Okodie. Tracy Adia Pena Okodie. You know, can say, dear, oh, what am I? Bibia Okodie, oh, Papa. Now, I'm in church, my more Nayak Beauty Saloon. Not forgetting my good brother, Brad Dan. Oh, Edukrom, say Bibia Okodie. And to my team Finest. You hold me down every day, every time. Askobek, Charlie, Shema Untumi, Stem the General. Not forgetting Kenzie, Sabah, and to everyone out there doing their listening. Greetings going out to Okugwa Electra area for Follow Who No Road and in the terminal. It is about 38 after 1. Good afternoon, Ghana.
Ayiko.
Okuma Radio. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Ayiko.
Adoye wa crime so beba me chenyu mrei. I see it sweat to bar a FM webo. Yeah. I'm not between why and dead. I the other woman ever make a time. I see guess you too far, mommy mo. I cried, I guess you mommy so, yeah. Nadia, dear Banner, dear Sampa.
Ayiko.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Ayiko. Ayiko.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Epimi moti says one thing. She met it say, would you tana? A mama doing in a say, such a media woo. No member. Epimi moti says one thing. She met it say, would you? A mama doing in a say, such a media woo. No member. See a dear drew. Yeah, now won't carry beyond. Met your dance, a jatty, I see it, it will be more wine. See a dear little while. Yeah, now won't Caribbean. Imma met your dance, a jatty, I see it, it will be more wine. See every time, maybe we are a bar, maybe. Yeah, two more, Jimmy dear, now maybe. See every time, maybe we are a bar, maybe. Yeah, to promote me, dear. Na meba, and one adame. We did the any now, moe, and one adame. Makumeni nation so, and one adame. We did the any now, moe, and one adame. Adame, makumeni nation so.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
I read you through away free only bound.
97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya on Common Radio 97.1. Hey.
Yeah, mama, you are the baby. What brown went to him, and yes, I may be my two, my dream. Ubinti Zikawari, the town for Dantino, economy, my end, I would try. Yankotia drum, brand one, I see why so ram. Economy, my mampunyo, one pie bona, me bona, me bedua. Metro, one more, say, Yagro. Me brony, me see. Is it when I can't answer, Adam, Maya, Udano. I don't want to me, I'm an abruzantino, Udano. Is your touch and as a tia? Matama dream, I'm a famua bentino. Okondaka yo, Ada, Sadafu be riba, Naji. Is your one that as a Adam, Maya, Udano. I don't want to me, I'm an abruzantino, Udano. Is your touch and as a tia? Matama dream, I'm a famua bentino.
Common Radio 97.1. Common Radio. Common Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya on Common Radio 97.1.
I see Kurana and it is washing. All them pass you on a condo. Mini Opiamo, oh yeah, Nadia, Wama no songs way. Only what they have been as of a mummy, a dream of the cry. Me who grew up in here, now me home was sorry.
Oh, come on,
Only my brody, I'm out there.
Ayiko, Ayiko,
Ayiko.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Radio. Hey, station where the man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Just about to go. Meantime, let me say a very wonderful, a good afternoon going out to you. A brother like no other. XB. Oh, to the ding. Say Bibi Aboko, dear Minya. I wish you speedy recovery, brother. But when you say answer na message, you know, there is something. Most often I am the Bremo. The people's favorite. Ain't you in there? Just about 5 more minutes to say bye-bye to you on the radio 97.1. You're from Nana Kwame Perry. Over to me from the finals. The meme in our catch you, me. This is the best. Ayiko taxi driver, Ayiko trotro driver. Indeed, Sikadi nipa be kwetwe. Mami fa said I can see. And for Miami brother. video into Okori Ajemai, executive producer. Eye Urua Kweku Boateng. And to the entire team, send me to us, I'm more than I come home. Nobody got you come Bre Ghana for. Not wasting my time. DJ Donzi, I'm your official DJ. My name has ever been the same. Nana Kwame Perry. We're waiting from the finest. This is the people's favorite. Want to make you are. Yam Pechina. A throwback Thursday. You know best on your radio, so good afternoon. Song coming from my Stone Boy. Into the future, he called this one. To all the taxi driver, trotro drivers. I am out from the